Your Corvette may be a work of art, but nicks, scratches, and paint chips can not only be an eyesore, but may get worse over time if not treated properly. Did you know that you can get a complete touch-up paint solution from Corvette Mods? We offer high-quality OE grade touch-up paint that's a perfect match to the factory finish on any year Corvette. At Corvette Mods, we use a special paint formulation that won't glob like many inferior touch-up paints that use too many cheap binders. Our touch-up paint is easy to apply and will cover those unsightly imperfections in your paint while protecting it and preventing further damage. This OEM quality touch-up paint is perfect for fixing rock chips, scratches, and scuffed edges, so you can get your Corvette back to factory new condition in no time. You can find your perfect paint match using the chart on our website. Just click the link below and reference either your paint name or the paint code for your vehicle. The paint comes by itself or as a kit with a protective gloss coat. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos. At Corvette Mods, we obsess over your vet.